This is a DIY travel guide on how to get to Bukidnon Communal Ranch from Cagayan de Oro City or Davao City. So, yung Bukidnon Communal Ranch is located in Impasugong. That's around 2 hours from CDO and around 5 to 6 hours from Davao City. So, if galing kang Lagindingan Airport, sakay ka ng shuttle papuntang Agora, papuntang CDO, that's 199 pesos. Tapos bus to Impasugong Tourism Center, that's 155 pesos. Tapos kung gusto mo ng habal-habal driver, contact mo lang yung guide ko na nakuha ko dati, si Ray. And from Davao naman, Ecoland Terminal yung jump off mo, tapos sakay ka ng bus papuntang Impasugong Tourism Center. So 5.5 hours to 6.5 hours yung biyahe. So dito ka bababa sa Impasugong Tourism Center. So from here, sakay ka ng Rela or contact mo nga yung habal-habal driver. Ito na yung bagong rates nila, guys. So yung bago nilang entrance fee is 50 pesos, 20 pesos yung environmental fee, and meron ng parking fee na 50 pesos for motorcycles, and yung cars naman 200 pesos. So ito yung road. So yes, pwede talagang pumasok yung sasakyan and vans. May mga vans na nakakapasok. So ito yung daan. So dito i-check nila yung permit mo, yung resibo, tapos proceed ka na doon. After that, doon na sa may Bukidnon Communal Ranch. Napaka breathtaking ng view. Napaka picturesque niya even sa sa daan pa lang going to the Communal Ranch. Tapos yun, ang daming pwede kang mag-stop dito at mag-picture ganon. So ito na yung view doon sa may Communal Ranch. Ito yung aerial view using my drone. Ganyan siya. Sobrang ganda talaga, guys. Napaka-breathtaking. Again, napaka-breathtaking ng views dito sa Communal Ranch. So if you haven't been here, I really suggest to go here. Sulit talaga yung biyahe, at saka mura lang naman yung entrance fee. Tapos ito, pag morning ka pumunta doon, most likely wala masyadong tao yan. So napakalinaw, napaka-peaceful, relaxing, ganon yung vibe talaga. So I really suggest kung pupunta ka doon ng early morning para wala masyadong tao, or sa time ko na to, ako yung first na visitor. So sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung view at saka yung experience. So pwede rin pala mag horseback riding for 200 pesos. Ito siya, 1 hour na yun, yung 200 pesos. So yun, pupunta ka dito sa area na to, tapos basta iikot-ikot ganon. Tapos yun lang for now, guys. So I really hope you can visit the Bukidnon Communal Ranch. Hindi ka magsisisi. Don't forget to like and follow.